Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is in response to a question on our Tai Chi program. This is in response to how to apply Deflect downward parry and punch. So today we're going to go through one of the applications. But before we do that, I need you to click the boxes to like and subscribe and hit the bell to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you very much for your support and have a great day.
So we finished the last application of the Tai Chi form. Moving now into Deflect downward, coming out parry and punch. So let's take one of the applications. So in the internal arts, we deal with a lot of destruction in the core. So Keith's going to come in and shoot a strike to my midsection. I'm going to bring this across, rotate to cover with that downward angle. Here, I'm going to move outside to move his arm. So with that, I'm going to take the step. So as he comes through, I'm going to step, I'm going to cover, come through, step on the leg, and strike. You can come high or midsection on that for practical application. So let's look at it again. He comes through, I cover, I rotate, I step through. Now here you can take the knee or you can take the shin and come back in, open, and strike. One more time. Stepping through, cover, rotate over, step the knee, cover, and strike.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.